actor manipulating any other actor as a puppet may be a good training not only for theater professionals. We will call this kind of human puppet manipulation. In a theatrical etude where the human puppet technique is used, absolute trust between performers is the most important aspect. If no previous arrangements were made, the lead performer should understand exactly what he or she wants to achieve by manipulating a human puppet. Just as while working with a real puppet, the puppeteer should learn how it works and what a human puppet can and cannot express. The actor performing the puppet imitates a puppet's nature throughout the etude, so he or she should also be aware of how a puppet behaves in the puppeteer's hands. At the same time, total obedience and subordination to the lead performer is required. The lead partner should stay connected with the leader to feel his or her orders and respond to them promptly and naturally. Performing a puppet requires great awareness and control of your own body, so that all random gestures and movements which look human are eliminated. Following these requirements can help to achieve various effects with the human puppet etude. An audience can be a witness of an estrangement and total control of a human body, or there can be an example of active cooperation, involvement and trust. When used in training, this exercise can help develop empathy, cooperation, attention, and other important social skills.